Hello, hi. Okay, today just want to explain, want to go into the periodic table. If you have studied chemistry, you would have known, studied before the periodic table on these four precious metal. Just to kind of like go back to school again to explain to you guys what it means. And then I would also go ask Leon to go into the currency converter to show you that these four precious metals actually has a universal value. So, Leon, please take over.
Hi, welcome back. Okay, I'm here again with Justin. We're trying to figure out this periodic table in which you will see the four elements of precious metals PD, PT, argentum, and aurum. And these are the only four metals that actually have a currency value. And if you were to look into XE, you will see them. Yeah, see? Right? And XPD. So these are the interesting information that we can come up with on why they are precious one, and they are also considered to a certain extent by some people, not all, currencies.
Okay, Leon, can you just share with us for those that interested to invest in the stocks, uh, what are the four types of ETF that on these four different precious metal that I think you think that they can actually uh, go into or get themselves exposed?
Well, I like to look at ETFs in a sense where that there should be at least some volume. I think a lot of these ETFs you can actually do some research on yourself. But yeah, I have invested and I'm still invested in some, and namely for palladium would be by PALL. Uh, the platinum I look into PPLT, some of and for silver SLV GLD for gold. Yeah, these are the four main ones. There are probably other better ones that could give better returns. I think as an investor, you should look into some yourself and do some research and see which really suits your investment portfolio.
So, Leon, at this present moment, which four of the precious metals ETF would you, recommend as your number one right now? You did mention about platinum, right, just now among the four,
Yes,
because it hasn't moved up very much compared to the rest.
it has moved, but it has some way to go. I wouldn't say I cannot predict the future, but I would think that of all the metals, I am happy holding silver and platinum for now. If yeah.
Okay, Leon, can you just explain to us the chart and probably tell us a bit about what you think of the highs and the lows of the 52-week range and or the 5-year range, and is it a good entry, considered lower end entry right now, or you think it's appreciated by 20% or it's on the high side, or what's your opinion?
So we are looking at the PPLT, right? Okay, as you can see, the COVID crisis came about and it actually dropped to about 69. That was my entry. Right now, we are looking at 107. Uh, but then this is due to many, many other factors, probably war and inflation, interest rate hikes, possible talks of all this. Uh, Platinum, if it actually moves into the EV sector and is used in more commodities and in more of the
Commercial
commercial
use.
use, you should see a interesting spike. And I would say it has not really moved yet to the extent where palladium has, or gold is barking at the all-time highs of the crisis then. So yeah, I am still bullish on platinum.
Okay, that's great. So, as mentioned, this is not financial advice. So please do your own research and do your own due diligence. But this episode, we highly recommend PPLT. Thank you.